But it's bad now, but to elevate. Ori mi ko le abane. Àwọn bad belle want to suffocate. With the bad doing the jollificate. All I told be I'm not party with it. Oh, I told be I'm not party with it. What the told be I'm not party with it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling this wig for a customer, and I decided to film it for you guys to see how I customize my lace closure wigs to make it look like a frontal for my customers. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this whole thing, just stay tuned. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just spraying water on the lace, and then I'm just gonna do some twisting, and I like to wet my closure first before I twist. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just spraying some water on the closure, and then I'm just gonna go in and twist the pattern. So one thing that I just want to let you know is it's very easy to part your closure when it's wet. And yeah, that is exactly what I do. I make sure to wet the closure before I part it, and it's very easy for me doing it that way. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of the mousse on top of the closure because I feel like it wasn't as flat as I wanted it to be, and I'll also be using a hot comb to flatten the closure as well. So this hair is from my hairline. If you want to purchase this hair, this is a body wave texture, and this is Betty's Beauty hair. So if you are interested in purchasing it, you can go to my website and do so. So as you can see, I was twisting the front of the hair, and I wanted it to look like a frontal, so I made sure to take my time and just twist the front, and I also twist the baby hairs as well to make it look natural a little bit.
Body selector.
So guys, when twisting, you must take your time and to do the twisting. You don't want to go on one spot and just do twisting. Just keep the tweezer moving because you don't want to go bald on one spot. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying my foundation on the lace just to make it look natural because I didn't bleach this lace. So when I apply the foundation, it makes it look realistic a little bit. It makes it look realistic a little bit, so I can't even talk. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs style, and I was just applying a little bit of the foundation on the edges just to cover up the black knot a little bit, and then I'm applying my hot comb just to lay the front a little bit. And so yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs. I really do love baby hairs on lace closures because it makes it look like a lace frontal. So that is exactly what I'm doing, just cutting a little piece of the baby hairs. And then what I'm using now is my olive oil mousse. I really do love using mousse to style my baby hairs. It does the job. I love to use my tail comb to style my baby hairs, and I also go in using the toothbrush. So guys, bear in mind, this is not my toothbrush that I use in brushing my teeth. This is a new toothbrush that I use in styling wigs and baby hairs, So yes, it does the job as well. I really do love using toothbrush as well. So when I'm done doing the baby hairs, I make sure to spray a little bit of got-to-be glue on the edges just to keep it intact. And because when I cut the lace, I want the baby hairs to stay in place, so spraying a little bit of the got-to-be glue on the baby hairs, it still keeps the baby hairs intact. So I'm going to go ahead and scarf the baby hairs. So guys, I tie the scarf and then let it sit for like 20 minutes. Sometimes I'm doing something and I let it sit like longer. So right now it's been like 20 minutes. So I'm going to take off the scarf for you guys to see how the front is looking. So guys, look at how the baby hairs are looking. They look so much better, and they look like it's a frontal. So Some of my customers really want me to cut the lace, others don't, but this one, she wanted me to cut the lace, so that is exactly what I'm doing. And it's so much easier when cutting the lace on the mannequin head, and I use a blade to do that. So when cutting the lace, guys, make sure to cut the lace in a zigzag way. Don't cut it straight across, because when you cut it straight across, somebody can really tell where the lace is on your head. But when you cut it in a zigzag form, it's, a little bit unnoticeable. So yeah.
Why you there? Sure you got that by money no tell. Sure you got that by money no tell. Sure you got that for me if I no pay.
So guys, just take your time and cut the lace, because when you don't cut the lace properly, somebody can tell where the lace is coming from. So that is why I'm really taking my time and showing you guys how I cut the lace. So right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the hair. The customer wanted the hair to be layered, so that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just cutting the lace to the satisfaction of the customer. And I really went overboard with the cutting. I think that I cut too much